And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the footer tag. It's yet another container element. It's just used to structure content on your website. You usually find it at the bottom, as the name suggests, of your website. It contains most often authorship, information, copyright, context, something like this. It can also have this typical back to top link, or related documents and a sitemap nested. Structure of it is quite simple, opening and closing tag, and let me just nest an address inside of it. I'll simply invent something here so that we can see it in browser display. If we refresh that, it's in italic, but that's not because of the footer tag, it's because of the address tag. So if I add a paragraph right here inside of the footer outside of the address, let's make it about email, you can see that this is in the default style for the font. So the footer doesn't add anything of style on its own to the content that's nested inside. It's just a container. And once again, it's used for authorship, copyright, contact information, something like this. And that's all there is to know about the footer tag in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.